Vista, California with the Heavy Breathing Foundation. We have Mike, we have Amber, and today we are going to be working out just like the kids do for the Heavy Breathing Foundation. We're gonna start talking to Mike and Amber a lot more about what the foundation is, what they do for the community, because it is very important. And again, their social medias are gonna be right here. So please follow them and please donate. That is the biggest part that I want you to remember. Donate, because people like this make a huge difference in the community. Now, today, we have Panda, myself, and Pableezy, and we're gonna be going through a workout, or what would you guys call it? More like a training?
Introduction?
An intro to the program. What are we going to be doing today?
We're going right into an event day training style, strongman style. So no warm-ups, we're going to put you right to work.
Okay, so we're going straight to work.
Wait, no warm-ups?
No
warm-ups. Just straight? Warm-ups are for bitches, dude. He's the first one then. You're the first one to get on it. Yeah, dude.
Alright.
I can't even touch my toes. Fuck! That's as far as I can.
Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing a workout. Mike and Amber are gonna be pushing us through hell and back. But like I said, this is for a good cause. Please go and follow the Heavy Breathing Foundation. They do a lot for the community. So follow along. We might throw up. You don't know until you see the end of this video. So keep watching.
Has anybody shit themselves? Yeah.
Oh, that's you.
We have a 100-pound sandbag here. I have yesterday's wedding nails on. If I can do it in these, you can do it too. So you want to work your hands back and forth underneath here. Try to get them as close to each other as possible. And then you're going to get up into your lap. From there, you want to sit back down with it. Hug it close to your chest. Lift it up and high. Take your steps.
The bear hug and go.
Ooh.
All right. That'll be step 2 of what we're about to do.
Fuck.
First, this is a yoke. I believe it's like 185? Yeah. So you're gonna find where it sits comfortable on your back. Your hands could be up here, or they can be here, pushing it apart. You're gonna pick it up, take some steps with it.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a full run, show you what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
You get to it?
Why did you say run?
You can meander. Actual pace may vary.
Okay.
All you guys got really big backs.
Big back.
So use it. A lot of people complain like, hey, this hurts because they're like bouncing on like the small of the neck. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Get it deep on your back. So like I said, I like to make my back eat the bar.
Okay.
Once it's wedged in there, I'm gonna push this apart like I'm trying to break bars out of Joe or something like that. So I have tension and I can move from there.
So you're gonna start the run here. Sort of meander here.
Okay.
Pick it up.
You take your time when you're first figuring it out, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Right. Basically, we're teaching you how to be loaded like a donkey.
Yeah.
And come on back for this guy.
But that's how you build a big back. We already got that, so what else can we do?
Alright, let's follow. We're all going that way. That's where we're starting.
He's walking, I'm running.
Oh, and over.
Okay. Right here.
Come on, Panda.
Go.
Come on, Panda. Go, Panda, run back.
Hurry up! Hurry up! There we go!
Come on, Panda, up, over.
Oh, we're going home.
Alright, guys.
Go, what's the next one?
Okay.
Alright, my turn.
One is not that bad.
Okay.
I have 5 of these, I could probably die.
How hard can it be? Girls do it.
Oh no, oh no, that is no excuse.
So what you're trying to do is build like a shot.
Oh shit!
Let those muscles down.
You got this for a living, boy. You can't want it for a living, boy. Let's go. You got this.
You got a nice eye. Whoa, he missed
Hey,
one.
on the mat.
Bro,
Hey,
I'm back.
hey, that's a chop right there.
Hey,
That's
just
a
for
chop.
that, do it
That's
again.
a chop right
Right
there.
there.
That's a chop
That's
right
a chop.
there.
Look.
Oh, wait, no.
What'd you think?
No.
What'd you think?
I think the harder part was this, just for the form, just because it's uncomfortable.
Honestly, for me, the bat was harder.
I know.
Because I'm coming from down here.
Let me just show real quick. So again, when you get in, like you did good, but you're going like this. Make it like that.
Ah, okay.
So imagine like the walls are closing in on you.
Then you
and
just,
you're
like,
trying to keep
pushing
that
it out.
open, otherwise you get crushed.
Okay.
So when I get in here, I'm pushing this apart, spreading the bar apart. And I act like I'm itching my back on a tree, like I'm Baloo the bear. I get that nice and wedged, nice and tight, and that's when I'll stand right there.
Oh, he's going.
Fuck you, bitch.
You can already?
All right.
Come on, Pableezy.
There you go. Push it. Push it apart.
Come on, Pableezy.
There you go.
It's actually pretty light.
High weight.
Oh, you want to have some weights? You said?
No, it's heavy as fuck. It's heavy.
I'm mocking you guys.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Over. Oh.
I was like trying to move it, then I fucked it up, and I was like, oh boy.
Do you guys want to do it again? With
Yeah, let's do it again.
You want to add? You want to just do 90? Add 90? Fuck. 45 inside.
Panda says
Quarters around?
Huh?
Quarters around?
Quarters all around? So 100? So we're at 100 pounds.
Holy shit!
Fuck! What are we even doing? Fuck, I'm already tired.
Baby. Ain't a fucking baby.
By the way, I do want to let you guys know, I sneezed and I pulled my back.
You did, boy.
One day I sneezed and I pulled the shit on my back.
you got a weak back, baby.
You want to do sandbags?
Yeah, we can
All
put this
right,
shit
cool.
away. Don't.
I let him do it.
I'll put it away.
No, hold on. No. He's the one talking shit right now. Let him do it.
I'll do it.
I'll let you do it, but let me put you on game real quick. So your backs are going to blow out. If you know, every time you guys stood up, you're like, right? You want to take that big air, like you're sipping through a Slurpee straw. Breathe low, and you want to hold that air. As soon as you go, like you're decompressing, that's what's going to wreck your back. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yep.
So when I get in here, and I'm ready to go, I'm going to sip through that straw, stand, hold that air, and that's when I'm going to go right here. Like right now, I'm not releasing my air, I'm talking, but I'm moving as fast as I can. That's when you slip. I'll let you all go. Just try it out. And when you take your air, the way you try to like flex your core, it's almost like you're pushing like something out of your butt. You know? So that's
Something might come out.
I'm not gonna go back there now.
there you go.
Oh shit!
And you can breathe, just sit on top of it. There you go. You know it's like a difference?
Yeah.
Right.
I can see how they pass out though.
Yeah. It's just, it takes time to like practice how to like breathe while
look at
you're doing
Amber.
that.
Just,
I was like,
it's like y'all bunch of pussies.
Yeah. We're over here like,
When I met her, she was like barely 115 pounds. Yeah.
My God.
You know, that's what I love about her. Is like she's like I said, I thought she was a lot more street when I met her. Yeah. Like goblins and Lord of the Rings and stuff like that. Like, you know what I mean? Like super.
They'll tattoo anyone's head.
But
you
the
just
thing
pay
is, she has a different. She comes like with us. It does with the mentorship we provide. Like obviously, I have the drug background. I've been locked up and all these other like nar things from the street. She has not. Like when I go, hey, you know what I mean? She does not know what the fuck I'm talking about. Like you know. But she has her own story, and she's able to relate that with the kids. So it's not, like, again, sometimes people think that, oh, it has to only work with that. It's like, no, it's anyone that's growing through it. And, like, people who volunteer and help us out, you don't have to have a background with the drugs or, like, whatever it is. It could be you went through domestic abuse. It could be you were homeless for a while just because of your own parents' situation, like financial issues. As long as you have wisdom and got out of something, that's the kind of mentorship we're looking through. Just like I said, not everyone's struggling through the same thing. I think communities like labeled as like, oh, that community's just messed up for that reason. There's all kinds of different reasons, you know?
Damn, people lift this?
not. I just hope I come back on. What the fuck?
What is this?
Oh my God.
Oh, shit.
I've seen these on TV. No way.
Wait, what?
Oh, wow. Okay.
Hey,
You almost hit the sprinter there.
Whoever doesn't do it gets a chair to the back.
You gotta teach them how to hinge first.
Yeah. All right. Anyone here done a kettlebell swing before?
No.
Oh, good.
Alright, go.
Okay, the
If
kid.
he's ready.
Oh, that's on camera.
Okay, power lifter.
Big thing, when you chuck it, don't just stare at it. It will hit you.
Yeah, watch it
follow
though.
it
I've seen videos of people when they fall them.
Yeah.
They just
Yeah, get out the
it
way.
bounces
Oh,
off the
yeah, no.
fucking-
That's Brian Shaw. He's not a human.
Somebody wants
Don't take notes from him.
Oh, okay. Got it.
He's like,
Yeah.
just talk.
Yeah. Have you seen that video of that chick that does it and then gets
And he
caught?
catches it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's I mean,
Let's not do any of that today, please.
All right, so kettlebell swing, you're mostly actually gonna wanna do this with your legs, not your arms. Your arms are ropes. Again, they're just holding it.
Like coat
So
hanger
the
short.
momentum is all with your hips. And when you go to let it go, you wanna jump like you're throwing glitter everywhere.
Like the LeBron, man.
that makes sense. I prefer the glitter.
Right? And when you let it go, it's gonna go where you point. So you want it to be up and just a little bit back.
Do you have
So you
any
want it
light
to arc
bags
it.
here?
Oh, this one's really light right now. My trunk's got.
No worries.
No,
Yeah.
we
Okay,
want
okay,
the
I'll get
thing. We
I'll
want
get the cute one.
Oh, this is like, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That one's
Oh
light.
shit.
You watch it and yeah, don't let it land on you.
How far off can we stand?
Don't die.
Yeah, where's
Oh,
the
this is
position?
light.
Yeah, where's the
You're gonna-
positioning?
You'll adjust it once you figure that out.
I mean, he'll figure it out real quick.
Matt.
Once he gets hit by the bag, yeah.
Follow it with your eyes. Like, go deep with it.
There you go.
That's too much hang time. That's too much hang time. Yeah, like that, right? One more and toss it.
Glitter.
Go for it. Come on.
Yeets.
There you go.
Hey.
I got it.
Amazing. Amazing.
How are we afraid of?
That's amazing.
Let me see you guys do that. Huh?
I made a snowman once.
How was that?
I threw another one to get it off, and it landed on.
No way! That's awesome.
Can we do that?
Let me see you guys do that.
We'll try it.
You can't even. Yeah, I mean, we're trying to go over, not just.
It's over.
It's really light.
It's really light.
It's like maybe 5 pounds right now.
Yeah.
Maybe 8.
Really?
There you go. So if you see kind of like slacking air like that, you're doing too much. You want it to be like, see how it's like just dead weight hanging like that the whole time?
Okay.
Yeah.
Arms ain't doing nothing, you just want to build momentum like that. There you go. I mean, obviously you're swinging from the hips. The arms can do like a little bit of something.
It's light, but yeah, I got it stuck. I didn't.
Hey, watch Marco let go of it.
It's like. Don't use your legs. You gotta use your hips, dog. Legs.
Think like you're closing the door behind you with your foot. Yeah, see, now you're hinging.
Nah, you fucked up.
You got it, but you get what I'm saying? Like close the door.
Yeah, you got a lot
Hey,
of.
hold on, I'm trying to figure out the phone.
Yeah, you got like a armful of groceries.
Yeah.
You got to close the door behind you.
You gotta
so
go.
reach for the door and then swing.
Oh wow, it's really.
Thrust.
Yeah. I don't want to point things out, but why is it the biggest guy is more athletic than you guys?
We've always said, out of the three of us, you're more athletic. This is true.
Him?
Yeah.
Wait, what if I do this?
We all have the same. I feel like as a,
Put your fucking shirt back on.
Does this change your mind a little bit?
all you guys got these big frames. I'm not calling you guys all fat, but all you guys got these big
we are.
frames. And then you guys all have huge potential being like really fucking strong. Because I mean, without having to, I mean, how much time do you guys spend in the gym right now?
0.
Right. But you guys have these big broad backs already. So right now, you guys could probably, if you just got committed to it, but like just stayed in the gym 3 days a week for like an hour at a time, you probably see a huge difference.
Y'all be
You know?
killer strong, man.
Absolutely.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Don't say that. Look at them. See
Well-
that? You get their confidence up.
Yo,
They're gonna go to the
bro.
gym for 1 day and that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yo, she said I'm killer strong. That's all I need.
All right, let's go, Pablo. There you go. Launch it down. There you go.
Oh!
Yeah,
What up,
buddy.
bitch? What up, bitch? Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah,
you
dog.
get a lot of
Fuck
kids
yeah.
that do that. Like, what's up?
What's up, dog?
Yeah.
What's up? What's up? Oh,
Oh yeah, he fits exactly the. He's exactly what the kids
Straight.
on it.
Let's try. Woo.
These are usually my key to getting like the girls that don't want to do anything.
I'm
like,
a girl that doesn't want to do anything.
well, you're killing it, honey.
Queen, you're killing it.
Hooray.
So what I'm seeing right now is the kegs.
Yes.
So that's that. Is that?
Yes, you can.
Wow.
You want to try
And
it?
it's the same.
No, definitely. Well, I mean, I'll try the keg.
Yeah.
It's keg stand.
We did a keg toss in October with a bunch of dirty bikers. It was fun.
Probably won't go over. I don't want to mess up my nails that bad. Same mechanics though.
Oh my god.
Stiffer.
Oh. That's scary. Yeah, if she can, if it was a struggle to get in there, I'm definitely like.
No, it's not as much as that red bag right there.
Oh really?
It's just
Maybe
mechanics are
like
different.
you gotta be a little bit wired to get through, right?
I know. I feel you. Trust me.
No, I didn't want to
Oh!
Hi.
Don't look at it.
Hi, Kay.
Go get it. Get it, Rafa. Get it, Rafa. Get it, Rafa. Get it, Rafa. That's uphill.
So-
I just saw you go. It's the uphill problem.
So in a competition, I'll typically see like a multiple bags
Set up.
over bar.
Yeah.
So, and it's for time. So speed and weight. Jesus, this one's way heavier. Probably going from like 6, 7, 8, 10, 30.
Oh,
Totally
all right,
normal. Grab it, check it. Grab it,
Time
check
it.
it.
Oh, you're doing each one.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
Time me. Somebody time
And then we
But
end
if it
with.
doesn't go over,
Oh, let me go.
you gotta get it.
Oh, let me go. Let me go.
I got my phone right here.
Okay, he's got his phone. He's got his phone. Oh, he's good.
He's got my phone. He's got my phone.
Athlete ready?
Ready.
Go!
And trying to grab the first bag. Right when he's grabbing the first bag, he starts looking like a little monkey thing. It's over like easy kick. Let's go. Hands on.
So I have to let it
8 seconds. 8 seconds. Yep. It's going over. And it's over. One more time. Panda, look at his face. All getting all squishy and stuff. Oh, he's throwing launches back one like it was his watch. All right, now he's going over. There he goes. Getting over. Hey, look at his. Oh, yeah. It's over. He's coming to everyone. Whoa.
Almost!
Oh no! Fuck that! That was
Stop.
hey, bitch! Lift that one! Lift! Everything would have gone bad, but this one came out better than I thought. This one. This one. I got it! No, I don't!
It got you.
38 seconds. Okay, we're gonna that last one we're gonna give it 2 rounds. If you can't get it over in 2 shots, that's fine.
Nah, that shit ain't going
Okay,
What
that's
is the
fine.
actual rules for that? Like, if you can't get it over, is it over or?
So so every bag's probably worth X amount of points.
Oh,
right?
okay.
So like we'll just say for this
so,
event today is a point per bag.
Yeah.
And so you only got 4 points.
Yeah.
You know?
But if everyone finished it, then it would go how quickly it was done.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
So that's where the split times come.
Yeah.
Which most of the time everybody can get it in over, right? Oh no?
No.
Oh,
the,
okay.
the sign of a good show is that all novice have fun and the people that have been in it for a while are challenged. And not everyone can do everything. I just did an all-women strongman competition, Thunder Dames, and it was a deadlift medley. Spoiler alert, there's a car.
Okay.
So it starts with a regular bar, and they do for 1, and then a trap bar for 1, and then a silver dollar deadlift, it's a different contraption for 1, and then the car for reps. So not everyone gets to the car, but the ones that do feel super cool.
Oh, of
and the
course.
ones that can't get there have probably gotten a PR along the way.
Bro. Oh, I'm next, huh?
Yeah, you're next. By the way, I definitely need to drink some water. I haven't drank water at all.
Get some water.
Right here. I'll drink his water, bro. Go, time me before I die.
If I see a puff of smoke, you're fucking doing it twice, dude.
Implement. All right. Athlete ready?
Ready? Wait, are you ready?
Cameraman ready? Athlete ready?
Ready.
Go!
Go get it.
The one in the back! Look, the one in the back!
That wasn't even the right one.
Let him do it, then tell him.
There you go.
For the glitter.
Oh, watch this.
Watch you let it go on it.
Go get it.
Then the last one.
Go get it. Wait, that one's heavy. It may not be heavy.
Really? Fuck, why am I scared?
53 seconds. Oh, fuck.
But you went back and did it.
That's
That's just pretty good.
As a 160-pound woman. As a 160-pound woman, that would be my 3rd bag or 4th bag in like a medley. So I'm expected to be able to do that.
Fuck.
Athlete ready?
Hold on.
Cameraman ready?
Hold on, give me,
Not ready.
hold on, give me a second.
No one's ready.
Hold on, give me a second. I need a breather.
Gotta puff real quick.
Second. Let
Give
me
me,
get
give me a puffin real quick before you.
Fuck no, dude. My
Get
lungs
a
are.
puffin, pussy.
My pussy?
Yeah, dude.
Hey, while you're throwing it, you should blow it out.
Let me get this cool ass cloud out.
You fucking stupid.
Hey, you know what would be funny? If his vape falls and the thing lands on
No, don't say that. All right, go.
Alright, timekeeper ready. Athlete ready.
No.
Go anyways.
Oh, these. Oh, what the fuck?
Catch it. Catch it. Come on,
right.
that's the light one. How do you miss the light one?
I just don't want to go over like crazy. That's why.
Here we go. Long shot.
Go, send that shit to the sprinter, dog.
Balloon.
No. Come on.
All right, fuck it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Spirit.
There you go.
There you go. Now we get some weight. Get it moving.
Oh, get some momentum. Get some momentum.
Alright. He's the ringer.
Yeah, like
There you go.
If you get this one, you win.
Use that booty. Squeeze it.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. You almost got it. At the
50
farm.
seconds.
I need a puff. I need a
Come on,
puff.
go get it afterwards. Go get it afterwards. There you go. Hey, focus.
Use your legs. Jump.
Ah!
Glitter.
Heave ho.
Ah!
What the fuck are you doing? Throw it.
I'm tired, bro. That puff fucked me up, dog.
Yeah, it was
Here, a minute and 5 seconds.
a minute, 5 seconds. Here.
You want to do the challenge?
You want to do a challenge? Oh, okay.
All right.
Do we,
I don't think you should do this one, but I'll let you give it a shot.
Music.
All right, guys.
if he does a big one, I'll be pissed.
Cameraman ready.
Ready.
Timer ready. Ready. Athlete ready. Go.
There you go. Oh, he's running.
Get it.
Oh, shit.
Get it.
It's all over. There you go. There you go. There you go. Get the momentum. Get the momentum. No, go get it.
There you go.
Come on.
Momentum. Medium momentum.
There you go. No! Last one. Last try. Last try.
Next one's the cake. Come on, come on.
Next one's the can. There you go. There you go.
Squat. Squat. Shit. Okay, we gotta redeem ourselves really quick.
No way. Not today.
The wife. Amber says she's gonna fuck us all up if she does this.
Nope.
Nope.
You can do Atlas stones. That's more fun. Or you can make them do a carry. Or make them do a backward sled drag so they can drag each other.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, Rafa.
Yeah, I called dibs on podcast.
Yeah, we got a harness.
You get to pull the fire truck?
We haven't done it yet, but like because it's, with the work that we do, we won this to non-profit.
Oh yeah, I did see
We
that.
won nonprofit of the year. And it was interesting because and after they were done, all the cops and officials were like running up to talk to me and stuff, and like instead of chasing me, they're running to talk to me, to collaborate. But we made a bunch of different connections. They've done a lot here in Vista. It's been really cool. But Vista really wants to work. They work a lot with us. But like, we could get a fire truck here or a SWAT car here and pull one of those things anytime.
That'd be
pretty
crazy,
much.
man.
So I'm just kind of waiting for the right moment, like when we have a big enough crew, like for the kids. We're working. We made a. We're going to be working with Brazilian 760, and they work with like underserved youth between Escondido all the way to Oceanside. And they're going to start bringing the kids in here on Tuesday, starting in December. And I think that once that class develops, it'll be fun to get all those kids pulling like a squad car or something like that. That'll be fun, you know what I'm saying? But like, I joked with it at the schools and stuff. They're like, "What do you mean?" I'm like, "Well, I get this here." They're like, "Let's do it a little safer." I'm like, "It's pretty safe."
That breaks.
SWAT's here.
Yeah.
Safer than the SWAT.
What else do you want? The fire department's here. For like a video, I know it's asking a little too much, but if we asked Amber to carry the three of us, could you do it? Like
In these shoes, maybe.
Okay. Wow.
I could try.
What about both of them?
How about just me? Yeah. How about just me? Okay. Well, how about just him?
What'd you have for breakfast?
Rice.
Okay, yeah, let's do just him. I think it'll be funny that way.
Let's start off light because
I'm only asking for Amber just because I know she can do it. I would not ask you to carry him.
I'm a real big pussy. Dog. I just,
Amber,
how far to that, Matt?
I'm trying to sound like a tough guy, dude.
Ah, dude, this is
That's light work.
light work, dude.
Deleting my Uber app.
Yeah. I'm Dasher. I'm Prancer. A la verga. Ah. Ah.
Wow, I just noticed Mark was on it.
Ah.
All right, stop.
I want my wife to see me.
Hitchhikers.
I wanted my wife to see me.
So you're gonna, when it gets really heavy, you want to get low. Like you want,
3-point stance, like crawl.
yeah.
Otherwise, it ain't gonna move.
And then little toes.
All right, who's on?
I'll jump on.
Oh yeah, yeah.
This is like a warm-up for you. All right, run it.
Mike, I need you to get some weight. Eat a burrito. Mike,
Hey, Pablo, get out there, get out there.
get on, Pablo. No, there's no way. Get on. You sure? Both of them. Go.
Get low, get low, get low.
You got it. You're moving.
Asha! Asha! Ah! Asha!
You're almost there. Get low.
You fucked up. Oh, dude. That was crazy. I seen like a couple like. Verga.
What the? Why do I?
Bro, I just pulled 500 pounds.
Can I get the camera guy?
Are those new?
No, they're just, they're not as tight as the ones that
This is not hard.
Try to tackle me, try to tackle me. Oh shit.
Take video of him.
Mush.
Wow, that's crazy. Mike, hop on. My name's Marco, and this is Jackass. Oh, fuck!
You got this. Come on. Keep going. You got this. Let's go. You got this. Go, baby. Let's go. Get down. Get low. Get low. You're almost there. There you go. Got it, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm 336. You're
336. That's 556.
That's not that much. Fuck.
Yeah. You pulled more than I did, and further.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a heavy ass sled drag, dude.
Alright, good job, guys. Nice video. It's a good video. We're gonna wrap it up, guys. All three of us get on it now. Cállate los hocico tú, güey. Ya estuvo. Come on, baby. Okay.
Hey, go down there.
Alright, Marco, hop on. Alright, hold on, bitches. Let me get on. Let me turn around first, and let me. Let's go. Let's get those Air Forces dirty, baby.
Crease and Air Forces.
On dancer, on prancer, on Pableezy. Whoa, that's fucking heavy. It's that pump, baby. Yeah. Oh shit. Uber, wrong spot. Wrong spot, Uber.
Almost. Ah, baby. Good job.
Light work. Tuercas, you want to try?
Sure.
You want to try it?
Pablo, get on it. Let the camera.
Don't be weak about it.
Come on, baby. Come on, you got this. Wow. I'm back. I'm back.
This one's probably gonna suck more.
Get it! Wait, even that was a workout.
Difference, right? When you went forward, all right, but when you went backwards, this is a whole different thing, dude. Like this one feels like they're about to fall off. That's crazy. When a lot of guys come in, they have like knee injuries and like ball or whatever. I have say like put them on like free squats or squats with the barbell or leg extensions. You have them do backwards sled drag, or you can blow your legs up without dropping your knees up.
That's crazy.
This is more like the conditioning part of strength and conditioning. Yeah. Because you can tell like afterwards, again, this is like the heavy cardio, right? Afterwards, you're just huffing, puffing, all the heavy breathing we're talking about. Yeah.
But it's functional fitness, you know. You never know when your boat's gonna break down. You gotta be able to.
You want to carry.
Yeah,
If I buy a boat, I'm definitely not working out.
You should work out.
Wait, I feel like it's gonna be easy for her. Let's make it a little bit.
You lined up.
She pulls a boat.
I'm not a boat. Oh shit! That shit popped the wheelie on
Both nose.
both of those. Make a pop a wheelie. You make it pop a wheelie? You fucking piece of shit. Dude, she dragged me. That shit took back.
She's up and down the strongest one here. My wife is coming.
For sure, yeah.
Well, usually these are on the age groups that you guys targeted, right? Or like you guys, they come in.
With adults too, but I mean, primarily we're targeting 14 to 24. I feel like that's like that's the main focus right now. 14 to
That's when the
24.
bad choices are made.
You know, because even when you turn an adult, you're still a pup. You know what I'm saying? You're still learning until you go through it and stuff like that. You know? But even the funding we got with most of the funding we get is allocated 14 to 24 years, 4-year-olds.
You usually try to get them before they do the bad choices.
For sure. Because with adults, we work with them too. But the harder thing with adults is we try to teach accountability, and you know, like I'm not gonna say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but it definitely gets a little bit harder to teach the accountability part. You know?
Yeah, because the only thing on my mind right now is how am I gonna go to work tomorrow?
Like straight out, cause like if I was in this, I'd be like, oh, I gotta work tomorrow, I'm not gonna do it. Or like, oh, I gotta hang out, you know, I got kids, I can't do it. Or I got this. Oh well, in other words, his only excuse is like I got school or I got homework.
Right.
So it's easier for them to like.
Adults too tend to be a little bit more in control of their surroundings, right? And I kind of like, you know, doing this for as long as we've been doing it for now, it's almost operating a little bit over 4 years. You know, I had an aha moment where the kids aren't in control of anything, you know, because they can't control what the neighborhood is, who their parents are, the school they have to go to, and things like that. So the idea is that, you know, if we want to change the way things are in the community, we have to plant seeds of change in the youth.
I mean, all in all, obviously, I don't think it's, I could say this enough, but you guys are doing an amazing thing. When I saw you guys on Instagram, it caught my attention because it's something completely different. I never got that as a kid. I mean, I don't know if I would have or not taken advantage of it, but I know plenty of people that would have.
Give the option.
Yeah.
You know, it's not for everybody,
Yeah.
but knowing it's an option,
Yeah.
having autonomy over your own choices.
Yeah.
Like you can still choose the wrong paths, but
Right.
just know the other options are there.
Yeah. And of course, knowing you guys, knowing your story, knowing what you guys have to work with, knowing the things you guys have achieved, I would just appreciate you guys. I think I admire the work you guys are doing. I hope this goes out to as many people as possible, and somebody, at least one person, gets to learn about you guys and gets inspired to either do something like this or join you guys, because ultimately the goal of this whole thing, obviously we're very dumb and stupid with what we do, but the goal is to get you guys as many eyes on this foundation, because I think it's very unique, and I think it has so much potential to help so many kids and change so many lives, that I hope one day you look back and look at, oh wow, remember when we were on these dummies fucking video? Now we don't even, now you're way out, statewide, countrywide, whatever it is, helping as many people as possible. But if you believe in the program, if you want to help, you definitely, the donation is very important. This is a nonprofit. These guys are doing it out of the goodness of their heart, and there is certain things that they have to take care of. I know, for example, right now there is the goal to get a box truck. That's one of the things.
That's one goal, and we would like to have our own gym one day. The big dream is to have our own resource center, kind of like our own YMCA, you know? But we could have a gym. It's like, if the funds landed, we can open up a gym within the next year or two, you know? And we can open it in between Escondido, Vista, Oceanside. I'd love to have something in Escondido, because that's where I've been running around like the last 15 years, you know what I'm saying? But that would be, and to be able to offer a safe space where kids can come hang out after school, whether they can afford it or not. That's the beauty of the program, you know? Just come hang out, learn how to live, be around positive mentorship, be able to offer, what's it called, tutoring, all kinds of things, you know, help find jobs and things like that. There's a lot of resources that we can help through the community if we just had a facility, you know. Big goal, like I said, big goal is have a gym, resource center. Small goal, box truck, because we also pick up equipment and we donate the equipment that we get from people to like transitional housing, whether it's homeless, it could be people that are in recovery homes, stuff like that. So I know what it's like to have nothing to look forward to but the weight pile, you know. And so I like to take the equipment, build weight piles, so I give something for people to look forward to. Next weekend, we're picking up some equipment and donating to one of the men's centers up here in Vista, for example, you know? It's not doing any good just sitting there, you know? So.
No, that's
And
perfect.
we'd love to get it in those hands, but then we have to pay for a U-Haul to get it. So that helps us. Keep
Helps us cover
moving
costs
these
and
things.
stuff like that.
So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, links are all down below. There's follow this as well. Follow them on social media. Look at all the progress. It is cool to see the kids. One of the things I say is, like, you see kids just like the ones you see out in the street. They're actually doing something positive. So please go follow, like, comment, subscribe, do everything you can. Everything helps. Anything else?
I need help.
With?
I can't move.
Come on. Okay.
She can probably carry me.
She can probably carry you.
I'm gonna go over that bar.
All right, guys, remember, Familia Favela, muchas gracias por escuchar. See you next time. Peace.
Pableezy production.
What's wrong with you, Doug?
You look constipated.
I'm hungry.
Where are you?
Cartridge.
We deserve
a burger. Yeah. Mike, or what was it?
Sorry, Mike.
Sorry, Mike.
Hey, Mike
Sorry.
said we needed fuel to work out.
Yeah, but not after. Before.
Amber, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mike.